Hey guys, it's Julie with Julie's Designs. Today we have an unboxing video. Look at these two big boxes of stuff. So this is from my cousin in Florida. She sews. And if I ever have my own store or a booth somewhere, I would definitely want to get other items from other crafters to kind of create this perfectly curated booth where everything kind of goes together, but it gives you other options. Like, I don't do soft items. All of my items are like hard goods, so I thought it would be perfect for her to send me some stuff to help her out, but also make my booth look great. And she actually did custom make me this one item. I sent her, the idea, and she sent me pictures, and I made some changes to it, and she did not send me a final picture. So I haven't seen it yet, and I am super excited to do that. So that's another thing I would love to do, is to have people make the ideas in my head that I can't personally make. So I'm super excited to see what's in these boxes. Most of these items you'll be able to find on her Etsy store, and I'll go ahead and put the link to her store in the description. And the plan is, I'm not going to tell you prices because she didn't price anything. I just asked her to send me a price list. And what I do is I'm going to have the price list, I'm going to have the shipping costs, and I'm going to mark up these a little bit more to cover all that. But my customers are still going to get a great deal because you're only going to pay like a fraction of the shipping, because I'll kind of evenly distribute it out between all the items. And I do share a lot of her stuff on my Facebook page, and I know my customers like this. And honestly, if I like it, I know my customers are gonna like it. She especially made these really cute snowman pillows that I bought 3 of them last year. They were so cute, so I'm hoping some of those are in there. I did tell her what I wanted her to send me, but I'm thinking she probably sticks some extra stuff in here as well. So we will see. This came in yesterday afternoon, and my neighbors and my daughter were dying to open up these boxes, and I'm like, no, no, no. I'm going to open it up with my new YouTube friends. Sorry, y'all have to watch the video. They were not happy about that. So actually, before I open this, let me tell y'all what's going on. I don't even know if they're going to have a show, because y'all are never going to believe this. We have a Category 2 hurricane headed straight for us. Oh. Y'all, I'm trying not to stress, but I'm stressing. I don't even care about the show at this point. I don't want to have to hurricane prep again. I don't want us to get a hurricane. Like, it's been devastating for everyone that these hurricanes have hit this year, and I've been like just waiting for our turn. Like, we are all the way in South Louisiana on the Gulf, so if a Category 2, 3, 4 hurricane hits us, it could be very, very bad, and that's very stressful when you have a house and kids and everything to worry about. So I don't know what day I'm going to be uploading this video, but today is Tuesday. So what I've decided to do, and the hurricane's supposed to hit landfall on Friday, today I'm going to concentrate on finishing up any items that aren't all the way done, because that has to get done anyway. So I'm not going to make anything new. I'm just going to finish up anything that needs to be finished. I feel like tomorrow a decision will have to be made on the show. And also for myself, me and my husband will decide what we want to do. If we're going to hurricane prep the house and leave, or if it looks like the storm ain't going to hit us. So I think by tomorrow we'll know. But that's the plan. All right, we're not going to think about that. We're going to be happy and unbox for now. We'll worry about the hurricane tomorrow. That's not true. I'm going to be worried all day about it. Okay. I'll open this up. She got this one good. Cannot wait. Alright, I'm excited, but let me be careful. That would not be good if I slice my hand open on camera. Alright, start with this box and see what we have. These are my favorite. These are ones I was talking about. Y'all. OMG. Chenille pillow snowman. How cute are these? Actually, I have one of these in the baby's room because I thought it was so cute I couldn't pick it up, so I just turned it the other way. The other side's blank. So that's absolutely an option. Oh, these are my favorite. Y'all go check out our Etsy store. I love these. I love these. Like I said, I don't know the prices on all this stuff yet. But you can definitely go check out our Etsy page. Because these are going to be, I'm not going to do shipping on these because you can just buy them from her. These will be from my local people. Okay. These come in sets of 3. Look at these reindeer. So it's like this textured brown. The little legs are buttons. And then they have ribbon. And oops, I'm going to have to fix that one. The little antlers are sticks. How cute are these? So it's like 3 different sizes. You got a big, a medium, and a small. I love these. Oh, they kind of match with what I'm wearing today. And those, I mean, those are, you need to put those out for fall and winter. Look, ticking stripe with some little lace for the scarves. Absolutely adorable. Yes. Oh my God. So I find at craft shows there's tons of little girl stuff. Like at every booth is little girls. So I'm like, send me some little boy stuff. Let's take care of the little boys. Oh my God, I might have to keep one of these. Y'all. Look at these, oh, this one's the wrong way. Look at these octopuses with the little eyelashes. Y'all. How cute is this? Oh my God, I'm so excited. So she sent me 2 sets of these. I love those. And then we have some little ornaments. This one says wish. This one says peace. I really love the burlap. This is going to go really good with the ornaments that I already have. Definitely like that vintage farmhouse style. This one says fa la la la. Look at the little, I love the pin on it. That's holding it together. That one has some glitter. We don't do glitter. We don't do glitter. Pull that off. Oh wait, maybe that's supposed to be on there. This one says ho ho ho. So cute. I love the sewing pin. This one says love. Oh, she did put the glitter on them. I'm gonna have to tell her we don't do glitter. Alright, this one. Oh wait. I was like, this one's missing some buddies, but I found them. I didn't even know she's gonna send me this. Okay, these are some of my favorite. I also have a lot of these around my house. These little birds with the little metal feet. Can y'all see? I love these. So if you didn't see my nursery room video, she's the one that made my birds for Ren's crib. Ren's nursery. And I absolutely love these birds. Love them. And then we have some more little reindeer. Love them. Those are so cute. Okay, so these are the things that I had her make for me. I wanted like these very vintage looking stockings. And at the end of the video, I'm going to style these like how I had in my head. I just wanted them to look very, not vintage, more primitive. Like with the long foot. And I actually got some stamps where I can stamp some Christmas sayings on here that I think would look really, really cute. So, ooh, I like this one. So she sent 3 different styles. We got the lighter one, this one, and this plaid one. With the foot, that's a different color. These are cute. Okay, we're gonna style these at the end. I'm so excited about those. All right. That was a good box. Let's see what's in the next box. Ooh, lots of boy stuff. So she makes these starfish that are really cute. I'm not gonna, there's a lot in here, so I'm just gonna show y'all some of them. Oh, look, this one you'll be able to see it good. She does like this little extra thing on the top, so it looks like the veining of a starfish. Really cute. Look at these seahorses. I love it. Ooh, I like the fabric on this one. Yeah, if you have a little boy, you need to come to my booth. Look at these fish. I love this. Oh, you could totally make, like, if you wanted to do a sea life, like Cajun mobile, like I have in Ren's room, I have her bird mobile, you could buy these and add them on. That would be so cute. Look at this whale with this ticking stripe. I might have to keep this one. So I'm obsessed with whales because one of my sons, his name is Waylon, and so I just always put like lots of whales and stuff around. Ooh, this one's gray ticking stripe. I love like how long it is. So cute. I already got some more starfish. Golly, she sent me a lot of starfish. Ooh, look at these. This looks great together. Look at this set of 3. I love it. I love how like it coordinates all together. So if you wanted to get different ones, here's a little anchor. Ooh, I didn't know I was gonna get these. Oh, I love this fabric. I might have to get her to make me some stockings in this fabric. Look, and I love how it frees. Ooh, I like this fabric. Oh, these are cute. Look at these little pumpkins. I really like the primitive look. So I love how primitive these look with the hand stitched letters and a little bird. I love this. Look how good that's gonna look with my stuff. I really, really like these. She told me that these weren't really selling for her in Florida, but I love them. And I feel like they're gonna look good with my stuff. So hopefully I can sell these for her. Another anchor. Some little baby starfish. How cute. Another seahorse. Oh, here's some little ones. So this is the size of the bigger one, and this is the little one. Ah, so cute. So she sent me 5 of these. Y'all, these are gonna look so good. I've never seen these before. I love when I find stuff that I've never seen before. And her ideas, like mine, are very original. She's always sending me ideas. I'm always sending her ideas. Oh, she sent me a lot of these. I'm not going to take them all out, but there's a whole bunch of these little tiny snowman ornaments. So cute. Ooh, I love this fabric. Look at these carrots. How cute. I love this fabric so much. Yeah, you definitely need these in your fall decor. Adorable. Some more little sleeping octopus. Those are cute. I really like that fabric as well. Then look at this set of fish. Ooh, I love this one. Look at this fabric. I'm also always on the lookout for cool fabric for her when I'm out garage sailing and stuff, because you can find some like amazing vintage stuff. Or like even like a shirt or something is fabric, you know? So always keep that in the back of your head. If you are looking at the clothing at a garage sale and you see an amazing print, pick it up, because you can, you know, use that fabric and turn it into something else. Okay, these sets of fish, I actually own a set of these. I love them. They're a set of 3 and they're numbered 1, 2, and 3. I love these. How cute would that be? Really hanging anywhere. So I have my set hanging in my outside kitchen, but I feel like these would be so cute anywhere in your house, but especially in a boy's room. All right, what else we got? Oh, another set of fish. I'm loving these fish sets. Ooh, look at this. Okay, I might have to, I do not have a set of fish like this in Whalen's room. I might also have to keep a set of these. Oh, I love this. And there's another fish set. She sent me quite a few fish sets with the numbers 1, 2, 3. I feel like those are gonna sell well. They're really cute. And then she sent me some lemons. Look how cute. Look how cute. I love this. I'm definitely gonna put these in a little basket and put them out. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. All right, that is it. That is exciting. I feel like all this stuff will look so great. I think these will sell, especially these snowman pillows and all this boy stuff that she sent me. I feel like it's gonna do well. So we'll see. And like I said, y'all go check out her Etsy page. I'll put the link in the description. And I'm gonna go style those primitive stockings because I am super excited about those. So these stockings are looking a little new to me. It's not exactly what I had in my head. I want them to look a little bit more primitive and vintage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tea dye them. So all you do is you take just regular tea bags and you're going to soak them in water. Now make sure that you remove them before you put your fabric in, or it will leave like not good stains, not the good kind of stains on your items. And then you want to mix it up. You want a big container to put this in because you don't want to have to scrunch up your fabric. So we're just gonna stick them in one at a time, and I'm going to let them sit for a few minutes and then pull them out and let them dry and see what they look like. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to style these. I'm just loving this primitive look. I've been going for, like, I don't know what my style is. I like farmhouse. I like French country. I like traditional. I just make it all work together. But I also have been really enjoying the primitive look, where you can make stuff look like it comes out of a plantation home. That's the goal, to make it look like it came out of a 100-year-old, 200-year-old plantation house. All right. I'm going to let these sit for a little while. If you are interested in purchasing any of these stockings, you can message me on my Facebook business page. The link is in the description. They are $18 each, free shipping, and I also have some vintage style letter stamps that I can customize a name or a quote or anything on these stockings.
Thanks for watching, and give this video a big